Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Maths 1, that is algebra. In this textbook, there are total 7 chapters. Today we begin with first lesson, sets. Before starting the lesson, we recall types of number which you have studied in your lower standard. First, natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and infinite. Second, whole numbers. Whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinite. Next, integers. Integers are those numbers which includes 0, positive and negative numbers. Now, let's see the definition of set. The well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Or, in simple language, we can say a collection of similar things. We try to understand this definition by following examples. First one, days of a week. If I'll ask each and every student in the class what are the days of a week, here I get same answer from each student, that is Sunday to Saturday, because the collection of days are well defined. Now next, strong students in the class. If I'll ask this question to whole class, I get many different answers because strong students are not well defined. The word strong is a relative term. Its exact meaning differ from person to person. Now next, happy people in the town. Again, happy is a relative term. Its exact meaning will differ from person to person. So, it is not a set. Now, next, months in a year. Here children, there are total 12 months in a year. So, the collection of months are well defined. Here are some pictures. It contains the group of similar things. So, these all pictures belong to set. Now, let's see methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing a set. Here children, there are two methods of writing a set. First one, listing method or rooster method. In this method, elements are separated by commas and listed only once. Here children, in this method, elements are separated by comma. Means every element after we have to put comma. And element should not be repeat. Okay. Example, open curly bracket, 1. 1 is a one-year element children. Okay. After that comma, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here children, in this example, after every element, we have taken comma. Okay children, it's a compulsory in the listing method. Now, second one, rule method or set builder form. This is the second method to write the set. In this method, the elements are not listed. Okay children, elements will not be listed. Example, open the curly bracket, x such that x is a natural number less than 7. Here children, that vertical line is there, that line is known as such that. Okay, x such that x is a natural number less than 7. Okay, this is the second method to write the set. This vertical line stands for such that. Okay children. Now, practice set 1.1, question number 1. Write the following sets in rooster method. First one, set of even numbers. Here children, this set we have to write in rooster method. Set of even numbers. Okay children, even numbers are starting from, tell me children, yes, 2, So we start from 2 children. So first of all, we have to give the set name. Okay. So here we write A equal to, open the curly bracket, 2, 4, 6, 8 and dash dash children infinite. Okay. So here first of all we have to give the set name. Here what we have given? Capital A. You have to use only capital alphabets. Second one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Here children, even prime number, that is only one number, that is the 2. Okay children, 2 is the even prime number. So answer will be children P equal to. P is the set name children. You have to give capital. Okay, alphabet. Equal to, open the curly bracket, 2 and close the curly bracket. Third one, set of negative integers. Okay children, here we have to write set of negative integers. Give the set name children. I equal to, open the curly bracket, dash dash means infinite. Integers are children infinite. So dash dash -3, -2, -1. Now next, fourth one, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Here children we have to write 7 basic sounds. Everyone knows very well children. S equal to sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, there are the 7 sounds of sargam. Now question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Here children, some symbolic statements is given that we have to write in words. First one, 4/3 belongs to set Q. That symbol is there, no children. That symbol is known as belongs to or is an element. Okay, both we can say. Now this statement we have to write in words. 4/3 is an element of the set Q. Okay children, this way we have to write. Second one, -2 is not an element of set N. That symbol is known as children not an element, or we can call as not belongs to. Okay children, so here we write the answer. -2 is not an element of the set N. Now third one, P equal to, curly bracket is given children. Inside the curly bracket P, such that P is an odd number. This we have to write in words. So how to write children? Let's see. Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Okay children, what we have to write? Set P is the set of all P's. Then after that, such that is an odd number. This way we have to write children in words. Okay. Question number 3, do yourself. Now let's begin question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. First question, all months in the Indian solar year. Children, there are 12 months in Indian solar year. So this question we have to write in listing method. First of all, we have to give set name. Okay, open the curly bracket, and there are children how many months? 12 months you have to write in a curly bracket, and after every element we have to take the comma. Okay children, now move to second one. Letters in the word complement. Here children, this set we have to write in listing method. So first of all, we have to give the set name. That here we have taken capital B equal to, open the curly bracket, C comma. In listing method, children, after every element we have to take comma. C comma, O comma, M comma, P comma, L comma. After L, what is the children? E. E comma. E after what is the M? M already we have written. Okay. So again we will not write. Okay. In listing method, elements will not repeat. So M we will not write again, and after M what is the E? So E also we will not write again. After that, children, N comma T comma, close the curly bracket. Okay, children, elements will not repeat in listing method. Now third one, set of human sensory organs. How many organs are there, children? Are sensory organ? Tell me. 5. C equal to, you know children very well, the 5 sensory organ: nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. Okay. Now fourth one, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay children, we have to write here prime numbers from 1 to 20. First of all, give the set name. D equal to, open the curly bracket, 2, 3, after every element we have to take comma and write down, children, up to 19. 19 is the prime number less than 20. Okay. Now move to next one, fifth one. Names of the continents of the world. Okay children, tell me how many continents are there in the world? 7 continents. Yes children. So write down that 7 continents. First of all, give the set name. E equal to, okay children, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and last one is Australia. Okay children.